Today, our activity for today is making an egg sandwich spread with Amelia and Asaya. You know, guys, this is my favorite spread.
Yikes.
And if you will taste it, Amelia and Asaya,
I tasted before.
You did it before? Oh.
I tasted the sauce before.
You tasted before? Oh, this is the small amount of salt and
Sugar?
sugar.
Wow.
But we will taste the sugar. It's color brown.
That's brown sugar.
I want white sugar.
Why they taste the same?
Yeah, see, but I have a white sugar here. Oh. This is the white sugar. See?
Done. Say, can I
Done,
taste
done.
Wait, I'll cut it first.
Okay.
Ah.
Yung nabalatan na na egg, we will put in a bowl.
Ta-da!
Tada!
Cut them.
Okay.
The egg with
We will
the
wash
shell.
first because the hands of this little girl will make taste the egg.
Okay, yeah, this girl.
Yeah, this girl, we will wash with a clean water and we will put in a bowl. Okay, we will wait the other one because Asaya is
Done.
done. We will wash first. Tissue. This is a tissue. Oh, we will get the wet ones. Okay, this is the wipes. Okay. So after, we will put in the bowl. Ayan. Wash. Okay, guys. Ito na ang egg. O, ganun niyo. Ganun. Smash mo.
Yay!
Smash the egg. Smash the
I
egg.
cannot smash it.
Wait, I'll get
It's
that.
slippery.
Smash the egg. Okay.
Where's the smasher thingy? That's why it doesn't work.
Smash the egg. I will smash. Smashing the egg. Ayan. Egg sandwich spread. Known as favorite.
Wow!
Known as favorite.
I think it will be better with a spoon.
Spoon niya. Okay, spoon. Okay. Show the egg. Smash egg. Show the smash egg. Okay.
Yummy! Let's get the next one.
Yeah. Kailangan it's so very little na. Okay. Tapos na yung egg ng dalawang magagandang dalaga. Okay. Okay na. So after smashing the egg, we will put the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Okay, make halo na. Halo.
Walang gagawan.
Halo. Ayan na. Gumaganda na ang aming egg.
Sauce.
Eggs. No, it's not sauce. Pwede rin maging sauce ng pag minsan lalagyan mo ng potato, magiging potato salad na. Pero yan, egg sandwich spread, diba? Okay? Now, ayan na.
Can I taste it?
Wait pa, halo pa natin yung salt and sugar. Lagyan natin ng konting salt, tapos lagyan natin ng konting sugar. Kasi pag yung sugar, para titignan natin hindi maasim yung ating egg sandwich spread.
Wow!
Amelia will taste the... You taste it? Here! Put in.
Good.
a little bit sugar para
I don't taste anything.
you don't taste anything.
I can taste the
that.
sugar.
Sugar.
My taste is the sugar. And I have to taste
Walang lasa, no?
all I taste is egg.
Egg. Ayaw taste egg. Ako naman,
I want to
Magtabango
taste
pa.
of sugar.
sugar. Don't taste the
Kaya,
sugar.
if you do it, you'll get another fever.
Sugar is sweet. The taste of sugar.
I thought it was my
Okay, eto na ang aming egg sandwich.
That's with my
Ginawa ni Amelia and Asea. And Nona. O, taste na.
good.
Good na. Very good. Yummy. Konti pa sukal. Ang dami na
Why?
lagi.
You want it to be super sour.
Hindi. Super sweet. Not sour. Kasi this is a sugar. Napadami akong lagay ng salt eh. Kaya naging parang salty siya. Pero masarap guys ha. Now we will get the bread.
Yeah.
Saya and Amelia.
Bread,
and Nona.
bread.
Guys, now we will taste the with the bread. We will put this. You will taste it and you will like it, and then you will make baon to your school. Okay? Ayan guys, nakagawa kami ng sandwich, egg sandwich spread. Banding with my Asea and Ossie. Oh, you bite. Say like this, oh. Okay lang, it's ano, there is a tissue naman, oh. Oh. Dapat to, yung sandwich natin is like that, tasty. Oh, look na. So yummy.
Yummy.
Taste it.